This is how we can add a note on iPhone lock screen. So if I swipe down to go to the lock screen like this, you're going to notice we have actually two main options. Because if we want to add the quick access to the iPhone notes, we can hold it down on the screen like this, go to the customize mode, and at the bottom we have the widgets. So I can tap on it and scroll through the apps and find the Notes app. So it should be part of the list, and if not, you can use some third-party notes app, for example Notion, right? Or some other app you use to take notes, for example Microsoft Word, and so on, right? So these are the apps which you can use to get quick access to your notes or to start writing things down. So for example Notion, you can see that you can click on the Notion and then just jump back into your notes. Right, so that's one option. Or you can also customize the buttons below. So as you can see, we have camera and the flashlight. So for example, if I click on the camera, remove it, and choose something else in here, I'll have the ability to get the notes, right? So as you can see, I have the option to add a quick note in there. So I'm gonna have the ability to just be on the lock screen like this and essentially go to the quick note. So that's one side of the story, but a lot of people just want to add a quick text to the lock screen, like a quick note, like a quick reminder or something. And for that, you actually need, and I would recommend you to get a third-party app from the App Store, one which is called AnyText, like this. So this is the app which I'm talking about. It's called AnyText. So it's actually this one, right? I'm gonna hit update real quick. It's a very small app in size, but the point is that this one also allows you to add widgets to the lock screen, meaning that you can set up any text literally there, right? So if I would go to the lock screen like that, click on customize, and from the widgets selection, I would choose the AnyText, and let's say that I'm gonna choose this one, right, or this smaller one, which would actually fit in there, and the large one as well. And then now I have some text which I have on the lock screen. I can always tap on it and replace it by something else. And using this app, I have a nice way to essentially have my note on the lock screen at all times. So that's essentially everything I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll talk to you later.